Oh, is this place actually open? Yeah, it seems to be. Seneca. And soon, give another look at this place. Probably right across the street before the light changes. Closed on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Look at this place. This is a tourist agency. This is what's on deck here. These are all destinations that you don't see that often in the US of A. So last night we were burning the Banyak. Which is like the Yule log. Let's go down here for a minute. This iron door. Yep. This is the backside of April here. Hey. That's me. Although I didn't do that. Couldn't get through there with my backpack on. So same old streets for you guys, I know. But if you're in your house and if you're nice and warm, you don't need to go outside to see what's happening here. There's often a cat sleeping in that bed. Yeah, so this is an alley. We're approaching Skardalia. You know, what a cool building, huh? hand is getting cold. I have to switch hands. So no deep thoughts for me today. Spent too much time with myself, so I've worn myself out with all my deep thoughts. Seems like a lot of restaurants are closed here too. Maybe they'll open later today. It's still kind of early. I think it's about 1400 or so. The souvenir shop's open. Wow, they're dedicated. At least the light's on. No, somebody in there. Alright, you guys, thanks for coming on a walk with me. You know, Merry Christmas. Selection Bozic. Please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot. See you next time.